Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit Fleetwood. This is the last in our three-part series. I think I said two earlier, but I lost count. Our three-part series of what's happening in Fleetwood. And it's turned out absolutely beautiful. Now somebody said it's turned out nice. It's one of the lines on the comedy carpet and I can't remember who. Surprise, surprise. So we're still in Fleetwood and we're just looking across the water to Knot End. And you can see the big sandbank. And we're going to go and take a look at some of the businesses on the Esplanade and then just have a little walk on the seafront and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Because if you've seen the other two parts in this, you will remember that... You will remember that this morning started cold and wet and rainy. So you can see Fleetwood Museum there. That's well worth a visit and a day out. And these are the old houses of Queen's Terrace that were built to overlook Fleetwood railway station, which back in the day was on this plot of land here. When people wore top hats and travelled to the Lake District on ferries from Fleetwood. Imagine that. Just imagine that. That would have been horrendous, wouldn't it? Travelling to the Lake District on a ferry from Fleetwood. So this is the sort of seaside end of Fleetwood. So this is the upper Lighthouse. And we've got quite a few different businesses down here as well. So there's the amusements. Tattoo parlour, and we're going to call in this one first, Colours of the Rainbow. And if you subscribe to Visit Fylde Coast and you get notifications, you will know that we've done a fish and chip video. So the fish and chip video this week is the Ferry Cafe. It's the Ferry Cafe there. So this is Colours of the Rainbow. This is where you get your buckets and your spades and your beach toys. Hello! Hello!
Are you following me?
I am. I was. I've just had some very nice fish and chips. Were you the lady that asked me to call in? Visit Fleetwood? No? Somebody said call in at Colours of the Rainbow on the promenade.
It might be Liam.
Oh, it might be. So you can get your candy floss in here and you can even have a bucket to put your crabs and your shells in when you're finished.
Pardon?
Use your candy floss bucket for crabbing.
Oh no, yeah.
Yeah, you see, if you sold that to people, it's twice as much value for money. So you've got rock and candy floss. Nice to see you.
No, all rock is Fleetwood Electric.
Is it? It's Fleetwood rock. So if you want rock that's got Fleetwood, oh, let's have a look. If you want rock that's got Fleetwood in the middle, let's have a look at your rock. Yes, it has as well. I think that's the other end of the stake. Yeah, I've got the wrong end of the stake. Is that where that came from? Do you think? I've picked the wrong one up, haven't I? Let's get a big stake. There you go, Fleetwood. Can you see it? That must be where they say you get the wrong end of the stake. Nice to see you.
See you later.
Bye. And now we're going to go and have a look in Mary, Tom and Friends, which is this lovely little gift shop. I think we might also as well pop in the pet shop in a minute. Are you the fishing lady?
Yeah, I am.
You're the fishing lady. I'll come back to you in a minute.
Worries.
Catherine was just going for a lunch and I Shanghai'd her. We don't know what to write on this side. Ideas welcome. She was just going for a lunch. I've been talking to Sharon in the chip shop that long that I got held up. I was just thinking she'll be thinking I've got lost in the fog. Oh, that's lovely. You've always been closed when I've been before and I've always looked through the window longingly at what you've got. So there's all kinds of really nice stuff in here. And it's all sort of a maritime theme. They're lovely. All kinds of nice stuff. Oh, look, some bags. They're nice. We like bags, magnets, Fleetwoody gifts, bags. scrap pads. Laughter is the best medicine, absolutely. Be yourself, everyone else is an idiot. I'd agree with that. Oh, lovely shop. How long have you been here now, Catherine?
Since 2019.
In this one?
In this one.
Really? Is it that long?
Yeah, we were at the market 2014 we started, and then we moved out about 2017 to North Albert Street.
Yeah.
Then the car crashed into the front of that shop, so that was fun. And then we moved here and got hit straight away with lockdown.
Yeah.
And then we just got back up and running again, and then I fell ill.
Oh, goodness
so for
me.
a year, I've been at home twiddling my thumbs, trying to get better and get to the shop.
Oh, dear.
So in the meantime, we had a bit of a refit, and now we're back.
You're back. Well, it's a lovely shop and you've got some really nice stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you ever so much for letting us have a look
Oh,
around.
you're very welcome. Thank you for visiting.
So that's Mary, Tom and Friends. So I would suggest, if you're around Fleetwood seafront, that you pop in there. When you've had your candy floss from the shop down there and you're wanting to go crabbing, you can come in here, you see, for your crabbing gear and your little fishing net. And this is, oh, that's got to be an original life belt.
Cheers for that. Bye-bye.
Now then, guys.
How are we doing?
How we doing? I'm all right. How are you? I know absolutely nothing about fishing. Absolutely nothing.
You've come to the right place. Just excuse the mess, though. We're having a bit of a
Yeah.
change
Oh,
around. So.
I wouldn't have said it's a mess if you'd not told me. I'd have said it looks perfectly tidy. So presumably this is angling and fishing off a boat then?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do everything.
Any kind of fishing that you want.
If
And
it's
it.
fishing, we do it, basically.
And if you don't want to fish and you want to watch, you can have a chair.
That's the one, yep.
Absolutely, that's
Do
it.
them too.
Yeah, it's a good little shop. As I say, I'm not into fishing, so I've never really looked. But you've got a lot of clobber, haven't you?
Yeah.
Very good, excellent. Nice to meet you both.
And you. Thank
Toodaloo.
you.
Bye. And now we're going to go and have a look at the Seaside. Look, it's that tram again. It's that one that we're following. It's that one that we're following. Oh no, it's not. It's not the Stay Blackpool one. So we've got our photographers. The cafe. There's an aesthetics place just down here. And I'm not quite sure exactly what they do. And then of course we started our fish and chip video at the side of the ferry. House of Aesthetics. I think they look like they've aestheticed off. That's empty. So that's obviously waiting for a new tenant. They're waiting for the ferry. There you go, look. Wire estuary. So you can have a nice little, you can have your lunch, nice little jaunt across to Knot End. Have another bite to eat and a drink at Knot End. And then jaunt back to Fleetwood. It's a lovely afternoon out. Lovely afternoon out. And this is the Esplanade. So Fleetwood is not short of lighthouses. This is the lower lighthouse. And there was another third one out in the bay, and I think that's probably not visible at the moment. No, it's not. I can't see it anywhere. I think I might be looking in the wrong direction. This is the launching facility for Blackpool and the Fylde College. So students at the Nautical College use that and learn how to launch lifeboats and rescue equipment and whatnot. And this sand dune is much bemoaned by people who remember when there was a low beach on Fleetwood seafront. But it's actually a fabulous sea defence because that stops the water from coming up and over. And in fact, I think it's high tide, looking at how high the water is. We'll walk up to the, oh, yes it is, look. You can see, I mean, it's a lovely afternoon. It's a lovely afternoon, the sun's shining, the birds are singing. And look how high the water is up the beach, so you can imagine how far up it must come when it's lashing. And this is one of many memorials at Fleetwood. This is the price of fish, this one. And it's dedicated to the fishermen who lost their lives in fishing incidents. And this is Welcome Home. Mrs. Lighthouse funded this one. And it's a lovely statue. The only problem with it is that when you get the best view over the water, she's got the sun on her back. So when you try to take a nice photograph of it, illuminated on a nice afternoon, her face is in the dark. I'll go around the front and show you. And people always leave flowers and tributes on it to people that have been lost at sea. And got the little dog waiting for the fishing folk to come back. So this lighthouse with the other one, did you notice it? You can just see the top of it there, look, over the Houston Gardens. Lines up with the third one, which was originally out in the bay, to guide ships and give them safe passage into port. And sadly, because it's metal and wood, it's just about disappeared. It's just about disappeared. I think you can still see it when the tide's out, but because it's gone sideways, it's kind of gone under the water. And this is all free parking on the seafront with ample opportunities for ice creams and food and drinks. And I'll even tell you where the toilets are. They're there, look. That's the public toilets. We all need to know where the toilets are. Oh, I'm falling off the pavement. And that is Heysham Power Station over the bay. And on a clear day, it's a bit hazy at the minute, but on a clear day the view is amazing. And this building is another Blackpool and the Fylde College building, and that's a radar training station where nautical students come to learn how to use radar equipment. So there you go. And this is the hotel that you would have stopped at when you were taking passage by ferry to the Lake District. I wouldn't have been going to the Lake District. You can guarantee that, can't you? I absolutely would not have been travelling on a ferry to the Lake District. But that's what they used to do. They used to take a train here, to get off the train at the station opposite Queen's Terrace, and then they used to stay overnight here at the North Houston Hotel, the Houston of the North, obviously. And this is a lovely gardens at the back of the shrubbery and the wall, which we shall go and have a quick look at and end our walk on. So it's a lovely place, very, very different to the other towns of the Fylde Coast. And this is the guy who started it all off. Not the one with the dogs, the one on the right, holding the lighthouse. This is Peter Hesketh Fleetwood. And he was founder of this fine town. There you go. With these little bunny rabbits, because this was all rabbit warrens and sand dunes. So this is the Houston Gardens, and that's the tram terminus. So that's our look around Fleetwood Esplanade for today. And you can see how everything changes direction, because the power station that we just looked at that was sort of on the right is now in front of us over there. It's all very confusing. So I hope you've enjoyed this little look around. Make sure that you subscribe to Visit Fylde Coast. Make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications. Make sure that you've signed up for your email newsletter. And we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.